Look, we thought that it was, number one, it's important when we're noticing the increased numbers, the surge that's taking place all over the country. And yesterday in the country, for the first time, there were more than 100,000 cases of coronavirus that was reported. And then we've noticed a modest increase of coronavirus cases here in the city of Houston. Today, the Houston Health Department reports 302 cases of COVID-19, bringing Houston's total to 86,071. There are 4 newly reported deaths. Again, there are 4 new cases, bringing the city's total to 1,357, including, and then you can look at the breakdown that exists. Earlier this week, Houston's COVID-19 positivity rate inched back up to 6.7% for this week. Last week, it was 6.5. The week before that, it was 5.6, and then it was 5%. So the goal is to get it to 5 and below, and quite frankly, to crush this virus. So we're inching up, and again, we're just wanting to raise the red flag so people can be reminded of what they need to do in order for us to manage this virus. Houston's COVID-19 positivity rate, daily new cases, and hospitalization increased for the first time since the summer surge. This should concern all of us, especially as we enter the holiday season when people spend more time indoors and traditionally gather with family and friends. So again, let's be mindful of what is happening around the state and the rest of the country. Yesterday, for example, El Paso reported more than 3,000 new COVID-19 cases in a single day. That's El Paso, more than 3,000. And nationwide, of course, the coronavirus cases exceeded 100,000 in one day for the first time. We don't want to go back to where we were in June, July, and August. We really don't, where the hospitals were in their phase 2 of their surge capacity, and we were everyone was scrambling. We don't want to go back there, and the best way to prevent that from happening is for us to continue to put on these masks and to wear them at any point in time when we're in the presence of others. We have the power and the responsibility to work together to keep businesses and schools open and protect vulnerable populations. The message remains the same. We all know what to do, and that's masked up, social distance, wash your hands, and get tested, tested, tested. Again, we have all these testing sites that are open. You can get the results back in 24 hours. People are getting the results back in 24 hours, okay? So please, there's no reason to fear getting tested. There's no reason. So get tested, stay masked up, and, follow your mayor. I wear one. I carry one as a spare, okay? So, come on. These things do work. Get one that goes with your outfit. Put your little face on it. Cartoon character, that's me. Put your name on it, council member. But this is our vaccine, okay? For now, this is the vaccine. This vaccine does work. So just want to be mindful of that. 100,000 cases reported in the United States in a single day. That's a record, okay? So it's in our control, and let's do our part.